There is a conversation going on inside all of our heads 24/7. Alcohol, money, intimacy, sugar, fitness, everything in your world. So for example, the problem isn't alcohol, it's the conversation that is going along with alcohol, which for some of us can be problematic. The process that I'm describing is going on right now. Do I agree with this? I'm not sure there is such a thing as inner chat or a conversation. What is he on about? So that's it. That's actually the conversation that we're talking about.
You will meet and get to know your inner mentor, and that inner mentor is a constant source of love, compassion, and encouragement. So this is not a standard GPT. This is an AI pre-configured GPT that's had hundreds, thousands of documents loaded into it.
I believe that we can all benefit from some DIY mental health intervention. Your life is a storm. If you wait for it to pass, you might not survive the wait. Now is the time, and you are equal to the task.